Omoto Santo right now and meeting up with my friend for lunch. We're going to this new place. I'm very excited. It is full sunshine right now, and then it gets cloudy, and then we expect rain from 3 p.m. Yesterday there was a big thunderstorm. We are on our way to grab lunch. We're taking the car, but the thing is, when you take a car and then you have to find parking, most of the restaurants here in Japan, they don't offer complimentary parking. It's something that you have to pay additionally, which is a little bit annoying, and the parking price here is not cheap at all. Wow, look at this view from our table right here. It's about to rain. I have our umbrellas here. We are going to eat falafel again. Ever since that first falafel pita, I've been just wanting to try other places. And the one we're going, it's a chain. It's called Falafel Brothers.
Eggplant.
Good morning. I'm already at a cafe and I decided to try out a new patisserie bakery this morning after watching Taylor's video about her going to France and Hong Kong, and it just made me crave for a croissant. I'm at this place, Maison Le Domaine, and I already picked out some bread that I'm gonna be bringing home to eat later, and I got my croissant and also cappuccino. So here is my croissant, and also I forgot the name of this one, but it was a popular pick that I saw on Google reviews, so I decided to grab this and try. It looks like a muffin. It has raisins inside. Cappuccino is so good. This is the sushi that I'll be eating. Happy weekend! It is Saturday. We are headed to a hiking adventure. We just stopped at a rest stop to grab some food. We had ramen for lunch and I got this matcha bubble tea from Dotor. It's a coffee chain here in Japan. It's not that good. I'm gonna try this out. So rough at opening packages. Ooh! And look at, they have a sauce here to go with it. It's a red bean paste. I don't think I'll be putting the sauce. A little bit troublesome. Ah, here's another one. This is black sugar syrup. Want to try?
Something falls.
So we're gonna go on a trail, right?
Yeah.
You said it's gonna be 3 hours?
And a half.
3 and a half. Okay, I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to do that all the way though. I'm gonna try hard. Try my best. Try my best. There's no one here, so we're not wearing a mask. And it feels so good. No one here. It's just us two. Look at this. There's no one here. The bad energy going out and good energy coming in. Trees. Yeah, zoom out.
Going up the summit of this mountain and then all the way down through those falls. Finish.
What time is it now?
3 and 8 minutes.
Don't give up. Almost there. Just need to climb these last steps. We made it. I definitely think it's not for beginners.
It's not for beginners. It's beginners plus.
Because some of the path you really need to climb, and on our way back it was much harder.
Okay.
Yeah, the way
not
coming
beginners.
back.